Hey guys, Digital David here. Today we're going to be unboxing the Elgato Stream Deck. Really excited about this. It looks awesome. Really sweet setup if you're a streamer or doing a lot of stuff online. So here's how it comes packaged. It's for Mac and Windows, so Windows 10 compatible and Mac compatible. It looks like it's just showing you Twitter, Twitch, YouTube, a bunch of other options. Elgato's little symbol, but it bills itself as being customizable to your terms, to what you want. Easy setup, personalized keys, that sort of thing. Really cool box. Elgato's always got great products and great packaging. They do an excellent job, so it's really neat. So here on this side it says 15 customizable LCD keys for ultimate content control. So it looks really cool. Here's what's showing you is in the box: the Stream Deck, an adjustable stand, and a quick start guide. So now we'll go ahead and open this right up with some scissors that I have. Also, you can check this out. I'll put the link to this product in my description so you can check it out on Amazon. Whoops. Make sure to cut both sides. There it is. Looks really cool. Let's see if I can get. First thing we got, Stream Deck. Shows you to download and install the Stream Deck app. Connect your Stream Deck to the computer. Launch the app to customize the Stream Deck, so drag actions from the right panel and drop them onto your desired keys on the left. So really straightforward. Download, then drag and drop, and you can configure the actions and personalize keys with custom icons. Use 72 by 72 pixel JPEG or PNG files. So that's really cool. I mean, this is really a great instruction guide just to show you how to do it and set it up. Drag and hold one key over the other to create a folder. So this is really neat. Tap the back key to exit a folder and return to your main configuration. It's really straightforward. Enter your social media accounts to connect with your fans. Get tapping and unleash your creative genius. So it's really cool. Make sure to check out Elgato on their social media stuff too. Great company. So again, you can find this on Amazon. Here's how it'll come to you. There's the Stream Deck. So you can see them 2, 3, 4, 5 across and 3 down. If you can hear that, the keys are really cool. So that's the Stream Deck itself. It's got USB, and then here's the cool little stand that comes with it so you can prop it up. So this sets in 3 different, looks like it sets in 3 different ways right there. 1, 2, 3, 4 different, and then I bet I can put these down too to have a couple more different options. So yeah, you can even adjust. See if I can get that all the way there. Not right there, but it can go right there, right there, right there. So they give you a lot of different ways to set this up, and this just sets right in there, just like that. And then you can adjust it however you see fit. So that's a really great product. Really excited to use it. Again, really straightforward. It comes with all the instructions you need. Also open this little guy up just so you can see. It's in a lot of different languages. I'm gonna guess it's just legal stuff. But that's what comes in the box. That's how it comes packaged to you, brand new, if you're gonna buy it from, like I said, Amazon. So go ahead, check out the link in my video description. Let me know in the comment section below if you have anything to share or what you've learned, or if you like a different deck as opposed to the Elgato Stream Deck. So love to chat with you guys in the comments below. Feel free to check out the link, and I will see you in my next video.